Do you know many people are having trouble with properly using the Bella 2K air fryer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Place on surface. Place your Bella 2K air fryer on a stable, heat-resistant surface before use. Step 2. Lock frying basket. Ensure the frying basket is securely locked into the front of the air fryer. Step 3. Avoid overfilling. Avoid overfilling the basket. Never fill it more than 2/3 full with food. Step 4. Use oil spray. Use olive or vegetable oil spray and pat food dry to encourage browning. Step 5. Follow frying chart. Follow the air frying chart for times and temperatures, shake or turn food for best results. Step 6. Unplug after use. Always unplug the air fryer after use, let it cool, and handle hot components carefully. By following these steps, you should be able to use your Bella 2K air fryer effortlessly and safely. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Bella users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.